Huda Beauty loose powder versus loose powder. This one is a new packaging. This one obviously is the old packaging. This one is in the shade Cupcake and this one is in the shade Pound Cake. Let me show the difference between both of these loose powders. This is how the new packaging looks like. Once you open it, you get a plastic separator and the same mesh which separates the powder. This loose powder has the perfect blend of pink and peach undertone, which looks so natural, brightens your face and gives such a natural highlighting effect. And here I'm gonna show Easy Bake Powder in the shade Pound Cake. This is how the old packaging looks like. You all know it came with the plastic separator and the same mesh detailing as this new packaging has. This loose powder has the perfect blend of yellow as well as the peach undertone, which looks absolutely natural on your face. And you all know Huda loose powders are so much big on coverage. This one is Cupcake and this one is Pound Cake. I know you can't see the difference, but let me decode the difference to you all. This one has more of the pink undertone and it gives such a brightening effect under your eyes. And this one has yellow plus neutral undertones and it looks absolutely natural on your face. Both of these powders are high on coverage. Let me apply both of these powders and show you the final results. Here I have applied Huda Beauty Cupcake. I'm applying it generously so that you can see the difference. Or you can say I'm baking my under eyes with this loose powder. On this side, I have applied the shade Pound Cake and you can see the difference by now. Cupcake has cool undertone because it has pink and as well as peach powder, whereas Pound Cake has yellow undertones because it contains yellow as well as neutral powder. However, I like the old packaging as compared to the new packaging because if the old packaging came with this plastic separator as well as जो उसकी cap है ना, ये आपको बिल्कुल clear मिलती है so that you can dispense the excess product and then apply the product at your convenience. But जो new packaging है ना, उसमें ये इस type की कुछ अटैच आती है एंड आप इसमें प्रोडक्ट डालोगे तो वो सारी एजेस में सेटल होती है एंड यू कांट टेक आउट द प्रोडक्ट. इट्स अ वेरी बिग मेस टू टेक आउट द प्रोडक्ट इन दिस कैप एंड देन अप्लाई द प्रोडक्ट. तो मुझे पुरानी पैकेजिंग ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती थी. एंड वन मोर थिंग, पुरानी वाली पैकेजिंग की फ्रेग्रेंस तब भी अवेलेबल है. हाउएवर आई डोंट लाइक द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ दिस न्यू पाउडर. लेट मी टेस्ट ऑफ दिस एक्सेस पाउडर ऑन माई फेस एंड शो यू द फाइनल रिजल्ट. Guys, I have tested the excess powder of my face and both the sides look more and less similar. But दोनों में difference है. कलर ही देख लो, दोनों के कलर भी different हैं. But face पे ये almost more or less similar ही लग रही हैं. Though I have baked my face as well. And one more thing which I want to point out is कि जो old वाला powder का formulation था ना, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा drying था as compared to new one. I don't know कि सिर्फ packaging change हुई है या product formulation भी change हुआ है. But this is what I felt like. And if you like this video, then like and follow for more such amazing videos.